You're paying over $100 a year for productivity apps that are actually making you less productive. In 2025, app fatigue is a full-blown crisis. We're buried in subscriptions and setups. So I did something crazy. I deleted 90% of my productivity tools. My output? It doubled. We've entered the era of AI consolidation. You don't need 10 different SaaS tools to manage your life anymore, just 2 or 3 unified AI systems. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a zero-app workflow that saves you hundreds of dollars and hours of useless setup time. Here's the absolute trap we all fell into. It's called productivity procrastination. You spend 3 hours designing a gorgeous Notion dashboard, customizing color-coded tags, and setting up complex recurring tasks. But you haven't done a single second of actual work. The data proves it. The average knowledge worker uses 13 different apps, switching between them 30 times a day. That's over 1,200 screen toggles daily. This constant context switching drains up to 40% of your cognitive energy. You're literally tiring your brain out just by jumping from your calendar to your to-do list, to your notes app, and back. Add in subscription fatigue, microtransactions quietly bleeding your bank account dry, and the system is clearly broken. It's time to simplify. Enter AI command centers. We're moving away from manual organization. You don't need folders, nested tags, or complex naming conventions anymore. Why? Semantic search. Take Google's NotebookLM. Instead of spending hours summarizing research, just dump your raw PDFs, links, or documents right here. No folders, no tags. Ask the AI, what are the key takeaways from my meetings last week? And it instantly synthesizes everything. It replaces traditional note-taking apps completely. Next, Perplexity. It eliminates read-it-later apps, bookmark managers, and endless open tabs. It searches the live web, cross-references sources, and gives you the exact answer you need. Instantly bookmarked and organized. Need to create slides? Gamma replaces complex presentation design tools with a single click. We're moving from a world where you organize your data to a world where AI instantly retrieves and styles it on command. If you're tired of digital clutter and want to stay ahead of the tech curve, hit subscribe. We drop concrete, no-fluff guides every single week to help you work smarter. Quick favor, drop a comment below. How many productivity apps are currently on your phone? Be honest. Now, how do you build this minimalist setup? Here is your step-by-step zero-app blueprint. Step 1. The App Audit. Open your phone. If you haven't opened a productivity app in the last 14 days, delete it. No excuses. If it was truly essential, you'd have used it. Step 2. Establish the core trio. You only need 3 digital tools. 1. A native calendar, like Apple Calendar or Google Calendar. 2. A dead simple local notes app, like Apple Notes or Google Keep for raw capture. 3. A single AI assistant, like ChatGPT or Claude. That's your entire tech stack. Step 3. The voice-to-text hack. Stop typing. It creates friction. Instead, use your phone's native dictation or ChatGPT's voice mode while you walk or work. Speak your messy thoughts out loud and let the AI format them into clean, structured action items. This works because of the 80-20 rule of digital minimalism. 80% of your actual output comes from just 20% of your tools. Remember the friction theory. The more steps it takes to log a task, the less likely you are to do it. If you have to open an app, select a project, set a priority tag, add a due date, and write a description just to remind yourself to email a client, your system is failing you. A complex system is a fragile system. The best productivity system is the one you don't have to maintain. Let the AI organize so you can execute. Stop organizing. Start executing. Your time is too valuable to spend managing apps.